Stop slouching and improve your posture. Follow this 5-minute barre session to correct your posture and stand up straighter. 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week to better posture. Are you ready? Let's start.
Today we are going to be focusing on our posture. This is a huge area of concern for many people, especially if you spend any amount of time seated in work or in your home activities. To begin, we're going to start on our sits bones, seated in a crisscross position, and I'm going to turn sideways to illustrate exactly what this means for you. A lot of times people can get up onto their sits bones, but they are still in a pelvic tilt. I want you to lengthen the spine, not just your upper back, but find this length here all the way down and start there. Those abdominals should be engaged and those shoulders nice and relaxed. This is our starting place. All right, let's get started. Move your goodness around, find those sits bones, and now think about that length in your spine. Imagine you have a string coming out of the top of your head, pulling you towards the ceiling, and you can feel those shoulders relax, those abdominals engage, and there's this little lift of the rib cage and this little squeeze in that mid back to find that nice, pretty posture. We're just gonna hold this here for a second. Kind of take that note of what that feels like in your body. And I want you to begin to roll those shoulders. Just kind of loosen up here as you maintain that neutral spine. And then reverse your shoulder rolls. You can take them one at a time. Just find that loose, relaxed position in your head, neck, and shoulders. Good. Keep the hands resting on the knees. And exhale, scoop round it forward. And inhale, stack it up. Exhale, scoop around. Inhale, stack it back up to that long neutral spine. Now exhale, scoop around. This time you're gonna inhale, pass through your neutral and shine your sternum and your gaze forward. So a little squeeze in that mid-back, opening up through the collarbones. Exhale, scoop around. So we're going in from flexion into this little baby extension. Exhale. And inhale up one more time. Exhale, round. And inhale, stack it back up tall. Check in with those shoulders. Make sure they're not creeping up to the ears. Extend the arms forward. They should be in line with the chest, palms facing in. Abdominals are engaged. They should be working here. Make sure that you don't have that little rounded place in that low back. As you inhale, the eye gaze will follow the thumb. You're going to rotate to open and exhale, bring it back in. Same side. Let's do that again. Inhale, open. And exhale to close. Check in with those abdominals. Inhale, open, and exhale, close. Other side. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. And exhale to close. Let those hands come back down and rest on the knees. Anytime you feel like you need to shake out those shoulders, feel free to do so. Extend the arms out to the side, flip the right palm. Inhale up, exhale, walk those fingers over. Find this reach through those fingertips. Now exhale, hug the elbow back. Inhale, rotate open. Exhale, close towards the floor. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Rotate forward, extend the arm, float it up, and bring it down. Let's do the other side. Inhale up, exhale, walk it over, reach, reach. Take an inhale and exhale, hug the elbow. Inhale, rotate, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Rotate forward, extend the arm. Inhale up, exhale down. That should get some mobility in that mid-back, get things moving well. Reach around to clasp your fingers behind you. I'll turn so you may see. I'm going to clasp my fingers and place my thumbs side by side. Keep that long neutral spine and press, extend those arms as you externally rotate the shoulders outward, opening up through the chest and the biceps, holding here. And exhale, nod the head, release. Bring it down and inhale, stack the spine, back up nice and tall. Let's finish up with a couple of more articulations. Exhaling to roll down, inhaling to stack it up. Exhale, scoop, roll. Inhale, stack it tall. So for your takeaways, remember to find those sits bones, find that length in your spine, keep those shoulders up and back, that rib cage a little lift, and you'll be doing great. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas, or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.